Now, what's up guys, Dean here, back at it again with another YouTube video. I know it's been a long time and just thank you for your patience. I really do appreciate it. Today, I promise you there's going to be an action-packed, value-filled video because what I'm doing is I'm uncovering my entire SEO SOP that I use in my $80,000 per month niche web design agency. Obviously, why should you listen to me, right? Anyone could say that. So here we go. This is just a quick little intro on who I am and why you should listen to me. Is my name is Dean. I run a company called King Contractor Agency. It's just a super niche, high-ticket web design agency. We do website design. We upsell SEO and SMMA, but it's mostly website design. We sell our websites for $15,000 to $18,000 per website. We work in one industry, and that's why it's super niche. And because we're niche, it allows us to create these things like our SOPs for SEO and websites where, you know, my team knows exactly what they need to do every single time, and it just makes the entire process so easy. So all I do every day is I just do the sales. I make sure that the SOPs are up to date and the quality is there for our clients, and our websites end up looking something like this. And that's how I'm able to charge $18,000 for the websites, and they only cost me like $2,000, maybe $3,000. And it's fully managed by my team. I don't have to worry about a thing. So here we go. The proof is in Stripe. So let's head over to Stripe. This is the Stripe account. As you can see, in the last 30 days or month to date, I've done $60,000 per month. It's, you know, it's been higher, it's been lower, but you know, it's been as high as like 90 or 87 or something like that. But yeah, there we go. Proof is in the Stripe. Now, I just want to let you know that I am not selling you anything. So in this video, I'm not going to gatekeep anything. Everything that I have, I'm giving it to you. So just please know that. But I do want to let you know that I do have a course. So do not feel obligated to buy the course. That's just a paid mentorship, paid course that just lists everything out A to Z. Like I said, I'm not going to gatekeep anything, and I'm giving you everything. So if you have any questions, just send me a DM on Instagram. My course just has other things in it, just has more stuff in it, and it's more support for growing your agency. So if you have any problems or ask me anything, send me a DM on Instagram. It's DeanXWhite. All the resources plus more in the Discord for free. By the way, guys, the Discord is just the most insane community. We nearly have, look at this, we nearly have 10,000 members. How crazy is that? It's just every single day. Like, let's have a look. Student wins. Have a look at it. This was today. $6,000 payment received. You know, guys are winning every day in the wins channel. It's just amazing. So I would definitely tell you guys to join. Like 10,000 people in this Discord. It's just amazing. Questions. There's a forum. I think there's just like an unlimited amount of posts. So yeah, it's the best community, and I'm in the voice chat a lot, just hanging out with you guys. So join the Discord. You're gonna get a lot of links for free and resources for free. My only ask is that if this video brings you value, please just like the video. That's all. Just like the video. That's gonna help me out a lot, and you're gonna get recommended content similar to this that'll hopefully help you grow your agency as well. Subscribe for more value in the future, and follow me on Instagram, DeanXWhite. I would appreciate that a lot. So here we go, straight into this, how we do our SEO for our clients. So there are two different types of SEO optimization packages that we have. Please know this. Okay, I don't know why the Loom just did that. But the first one is the essential once-off SEO. Now, this is something that you do when you build the website for your clients. Like bad website design agencies, they don't do this. This is all the stuff on the back end, the once-off stuff that you need to take care of, the image compression, the image optimization, the meta titles, the meta description, the schema markup, all the stuff that you can't see on the website, the on-page, all of that gets taken care of. Generally, it's stuff that you do once and then you move on. So it's not stuff you can do on a monthly basis. So it's once-off stuff. I include this in every single website we build. If you don't, honestly, you're a bad website design agency, because then you don't care about the results of your clients. You only care about, you know, getting some money in and building them the website that you said you're going to build them. For us, we're 100% results focused, so that's what we do. The second type of SEO that we sell is recurring monthly SEO. This is like content, link building, citations, anything that really shows to Google that the website or your client is an authoritative business online. So through a lot of signals, we do that, you know, creating YouTube videos and you know, just trying to signal to Google that it's a legit company by increasing the domain authority. And there's just so much that goes into that, and I think I'll cover that SOP in another video because that's pretty big. So yeah, that service starts at $2,500 for us. It costs us about half of that to pay everyone to do all of the services. So the margins aren't great, you know, and that's not even like including paying me or paying my team for the time to manage it all. But it's definitely a long-term strategy with massive upsides as long as it's being done properly. So what I'm going to show you today is I'm going to show you the essential once-off SEO checklist that we use every single time we build a website for one of our clients. By the way, I'm really sorry for the noise. I am in a hostel here in the Philippines. So you're going to have to follow me on Instagram to be updated with my life. I'm actually creating a lot of awesome short form content over there. But here we go, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through the SEO and performance checklist. It's literally 15 points long. Like I said, you can get this resource in the Discord. But here we go. Every single time we build a website for a client, this is what we do. So the first thing that we do is we install monitoring and tracking and reporting software. So Sitekit by Google, it's an awesome plugin. In WordPress, just type in site space kit and then install that. It's the easiest way to install Google Analytics and Search Console. You literally click next, you log in with Google, next, finish, job done. Trust me, I'm making your life so easy right now. So then you install analytics with that so you can confirm it. Then establish a schedule for regular SEO checks. So there's a few different softwares that you can use for that, but it's just so that, you know, the stuff that we track personally is website performance, keyword rankings, CTR, organic traffic, backlinks. So we really want to know what the conversion rate is from like the visitor on the website to someone that completes the lead form. This is really important stuff for us. You don't have to do all of that for now. You could just do the analytics. Then what we do is we create a reporting template to summarize the performance and highlight areas of improvement. For this, we actually use agency analytics. It's awesome because we can bring all of the data into one place. Like I said, you don't have to do this just yet, but having Google Analytics on there is going to help you understand some more performance stuff. Then we analyze the impact of optimizations and make iterative improvements based on data and user behavior. I know that sounds like a lot of BS, but basically what it means is we do an SEO report before we get started and an SEO report afterward to see the difference and to see how we should adapt and shift. Then we do an initial website analysis. So this is the SEO report that I was referring to. There's a ton of free tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Screaming Frog, SEO Optimer. Is free, and that's just going to give you the bare bones on page and technical SEO optimizations. That doesn't include like the stuff that you need to think about, like the keywords and how to write persuasive copy, but that's just more like the checklist, SSL issues, things like that that you really want to take care of. And then you want to do a performance audit, like GT metrics is fantastic, Pingdom, just to see the site speed. So once you do this with the SEO audit, so the performance and SEO audit, that'll give you a good place to start and know where to do the SEO. Then once you've done that is we do keyword research. So we just use Google Keyword Planner, or you could use SEMrush or Moz. It works really well. And then just identify some nice long tail keywords, or possibly 5 to 10 short tail ones, put them in a sheet, and then those are going to be the ones that you track. So the pages that you've built out on the website, just make sure to include these keywords in a really strategic way, especially when you're doing the SEO by installing one of the SEO softwares like Yoast or Rank Math on the website, and then just to target those keywords on those specific pages, because that's really what's going to be bringing in the traffic. So keyword research is really important. That's why we do it in step 3. So like I said, we just take care of all of these things, and then we know, hey, this website is good to go. So now that we've done the keyword research, we're going to do the on-page optimizations. This is where that keyword research comes into play, right? Super important. So the metadata defined as guidelines for optimizing meta titles, descriptions, headers, URL, structures, stuff like that. We also obviously have another SEO SOP for metadata, but it's pretty basic stuff, dude. You know, you can pause the video and read through that, but that's pretty much what it is. If you install Yoast or Rank Math, they'll run you through it. Just make sure you do it for every single page. Content optimization, so establish the best practices for optimizing on-page content with the relevant keywords. So internal linking, readability based on keyword research for the area. So this is where you start implementing the keyword research. So now that we've done that, we've taken care of the content, we've done the keyword research, and we know where we stand because we've done the audit and we've already installed the analytics and the tracking. Then what we do is we do the technical SEO. Now, the technical SEO is basically the site structure. So the URL structure, the sitemap, the navigation hierarchy, mobile optimization, and schema markup. It's just basically making sure that the website from a technical point is sound, so that, you know, let's say, for example, I work in the roofing space. Like, we build out roofer near me pages, and we have that on the URL structure of roofer near me, and then slash, and then the name of the location. So, you know, it's super important for us to, you know, have the services under the services tab, the locations under the roofer near me tabs, stuff like that. So this is really important stuff for us to do. Schema markup, like I've just mentioned, you can actually get that over here in the metadata. It's very similar kind of stuff. Performance optimization. So now that we've done the technical, what we want to do is we want to do the performance. So this is speed optimization. You know, you really don't have to look into it too much, like CSS, JS files, caching, minimization, lazy loading, CDN setup. You can actually do all of this stuff with literally just one plugin, like the speed optimization plugin. There's quite a few, like Jetpack has one, SiteGround has a free one. I use SiteGround for all my hosting. It's fantastic. Check. So yeah, that's what I would recommend. It's literally a one-click optimization. And then check for any 404 errors and redirect them if necessary. So, you know, really simple SSL can help you do that. There's a few awesome plugins that can help you do that. The reason you don't want people to land on 404 pages, like the page does not exist, is because if that page is ranking and someone clicks it in Google, it goes to 404, then obviously Google is going to stop ranking that page. So you needed to redirect 301 redirects or rebuild that URL page structure. So if you're building a new website for a client and they have 50 pages, make sure to preserve those URLs. It's super duper important. And that's where the technical site structure really comes in. Okay. So I know this is a lot, but once you have this whole thing, dude, you're not going to need to really, this is a great start for SEO. Trust me, I'm putting a lot of years of knowledge into this video for you guys. Security and compliance. So, you know, once you've done that, just ensure the SSL certificate's installed. You can do that with any host. Generally, if it's hard for you to do, just hit up their live chat. They can help you. It's a hack. SiteGround is fantastic. Check any mixed content issues. So all you do is you literally just right click. Okay, well, let's go on to like a normal website. Right click, inspect, and then on the right hand side, you should see if there are issues. You click over there, like you can see, oh, here's an issue. So you'll see mixed content issues over there, if there are any issues. If not, that works fine. Ensure that the website complies with privacy laws. Regulations include cookie consent and GDPR, if applicable. Depends on you, you might need to have these things. Okay, here we go. So user interface and experience. So point number 10, what we like to do is test the website on various devices, desktop, tablet, smartphone. Just make sure that, you know, the website works well on all of these other devices. Like this is mobile optimized. You know, obviously it needs to be. So check the appearance on the different browsers, ensure that all the images load properly, confirm the hover effects, check the loading times are accessible. You can use Google Lighthouse. That works fantastic. Then point 11, content quality and consistency. So here we go. Proofread all the website content for grammar, spelling, punctuation errors. You can use Grammarly plugin. It's a Chrome plugin. It works fantastic. It'll scan the whole website, tell you if there's any issues. Check for consistency in font size, styles. You know, I use this really cool software called What Fonts. You basically, you can click on it and it shows you like what fonts are being used everywhere. It's just really cool. Ensure all the text is properly aligned and formatted. Confirm accuracy of all contact details and addresses and phone numbers. So guys, this SOP, just to give you some info, what you do is you take this is the blueprint in a Google Doc, and you put it into a Google Sheets. And then each sheet is one of these check boxes. And so then every time a website's done, you check the box, right? You can either you do it or your project manager does it, but it needs to be done. And I want to see proof in the field next to it, like a screenshot or something. I need to know that it's been done. All the contact forms are working. It needs to work properly. Okay, so functionality and testing. So you test all the buttons, the drop downs, the interactive elements. Ensure all the forms are submitting correctly and not going to spam. Guys, there's nothing worse than launching a website and it just not working, or it going to spam and the client's hitting you up. Now, after you put all this really good effort in. So yeah. Continuous education and updates. So obviously include resources and updates regarding algorithm changes into the SEO trends. So every time we have a new update, We add it into our SOPs, and so that's how we stay on the forefront of technology. Then quality assurance, we develop an SEO checklist for quality assurance to ensure all the SEO performance tasks are being done. Like I've just mentioned to you, you create that Google Sheet. Once we've done all of this, we actually add a badge of excellence. So we have a King Contractor Agency badge of excellence. Boom, just to show you, this is like a trust badge that we can put on our website, just to show that we have done the most legitness of stuff on the website. And it just makes it look cool, and people know that it was my company that did it. So yeah, that's pretty much how we do that. And that kind of just wraps it up for us. So guys, that is the whole SEO SOP on the once-off search engine optimization stuff that needs to be taken care of. If you can do that, I promise you, you can you can build a pretty good website. Just make sure that you take care of it properly and that all of these things are done. I hope that this video has brought you value. If it has, please just hit that like button. If it hasn't, feel free to vote down. Subscribe for more value in the future. And if you want to do me a favor, you can follow me on Instagram, which is just Dean X White. Send me a message. I'll send you a voice note back. Thank you so much. And join the Discord. You will not be disappointed. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.